Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to block someone on TikTok. So if there's a user you don't want interacting with you or showing up on your feed, just follow along step by step to block them easily. Alright, let's dive in. Open the TikTok app on your phone. You can block someone either by searching for their account or directly from a video while you're scrolling through your feed. If you see the person's video, simply tap on their profile picture or username to open their profile page. Once you're on their profile, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap the share arrow icon. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the options if needed, then tap on block. TikTok will now show you a confirmation message explaining what happens when you block someone. Don't worry, the person will not be notified that you blocked them. After blocking them, they won't be able to interact with you, and you also won't see their videos or profile anymore. To continue, just tap block again to confirm. And that's it. The account is now blocked, and their content will no longer appear on your TikTok experience.